Ipinagtanggol nga po ni Desmond Bain ng Memphis Grizzlies, especially the city itself, sa naging pahayag kamakailan ng the legend Stephen A. Smith. Sinabi kasi nito na halos karamihan daw ng NBA players ngayon, lalong-lalo na yung mga superstar kagaya ni Butler, ay ayaw daw lumipat dito dahil unsafe daw manirahan at maglaro dito. Well, agad naman itong kinontra ni Desmond Bain na naglaro at nanirahan dito ng mahigit 5 taon. Sinabi niya na halos lahat naman ng city ay merong hindi magandang part at once na makasanayan mo dito at maka-adapt sa pamumuhay ay okay naman daw dito. Ito ang bahagi ng kanyang pahayag patungkol sa Memphis. Halika't panoorin natin.
I think all that is just false. You know, I think once you get to Memphis and you learn Memphis and you know Memphis, there's a lot of love in that city. Yeah, it's rough parts, but that's how every city is. You know what I'm saying? Like, not everybody grew up with everything under the sun. Memphis is a beautiful place. They got a great organization. Anybody that goes there will be happy with what they got going on for sure.